this video we are going to be analysing BBIG because again it is starting to get some more traction around it. I've seen a few people comment about it, kind of wanting to see what are we looking at on this stock. So as a day trading stock, not something I'm interested to because it's quite weird. We got some volume here. I mean the peak, at least on Friday, again that was only a half day and we had a peak 1 minute volume traded of 150,000 shares. So there is volume there, but it's still moving quite ugly. I mean, we can see it's kind of trading like a barcode stock. So as a day trading opportunity, not something I would look to day trade. But going on to the standard deviation charts, again, this is how we do our key technical analysis. It may provide some swing opportunities. And where are these opportunities going to be? So we'll quickly go over to the downside first because there isn't too much to go over. So if we break to the downside, we have two supports, 58 cents and 37 cents. If we push to the downside again, expect bounces off these levels. And again, these will, if we do get a reversal point, these two will be the ones we'll be looking at. Now, that's our downside basically covered. Bounce definitely opportunities, and again can be definitely reversal points to be looking at. Unlikely that we reverse before hitting at least 58 cents. So if it was something I was long, again I'd be a bit cautious because I would expect a further move down to 58 cents. But now onto the upside, again it's going to be kind of where a lot more of the trading opportunities are going to be, and we have our closest two resistances at $1.20 and $1.55. so if I was long bias now, I was holding the stock long. As of right now, again this 120 is going to be my key target, but this will provide trading opportunities, and watch, you will most likely see volume increase as we come into this level if we do. And so the first time we tap this level again, be looking for that pullback. Can see quite big pullbacks off these levels, and $1 wouldn't be out of the picture. And sometimes again, this can be the reversal level. If we pull back to go lower or whatever, or come back to statistical mean, this 120 will probably be that level that we do it. But if we start to break through, and again you're looking for that second trading opportunity, and why do I say second? Because again, the pullback is the first trading opportunity. Now if we come back to retest it, you break through, you want to see it come back to test this as a support, and if it holds this level, good indication that will continue higher, and 155 will be that target. If we go higher, again we're always looking for that same trading pattern. First time you hit the level, pull back. Second time you want to see the breakthrough, come back to retest the level as a support or resistance depending what side you trade in, and if it holds, trade direction. So going further, again we've got that 203, going further would be 285. We also actually had a 250 in the middle. Then going final levels at 370, 350 and $4.40. So these are all our upside targets. Again, a lot more trading opportunity to the upside than there is to the downside, so that would be my main focus. Now a lot of levels here, do you need to pay attention to all of them? No, just to be prepared. Again, if we get some big fundamental news and we gap to say $1.70, you have levels. Or even if it's more of a slower move, we just move to this again, you've got trading opportunities, and you trade the pullback. Then let's say it breaks through, come back to test this as support, we then have our target of 150, and again let's say we have the same thing, pull back the original tap, come back to retest it, we say then break through, come back to test it as a support. You want your targets, because otherwise what are you going to trade to? Your next deviation is there. So again, provides multiple trading opportunities within these levels, and just provides us basically, even if you're watching this a month down the line, you have levels to be paying attention to. They're not going to change all that much unless you saw big fundamental news come out and the stock moves more than a few 100%. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.